Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a form builder to Squarespace. If you want to collect customer inquiries, registrations, feedback, or leads directly from your website, this tutorial is for you. On your Squarespace dashboard, all we need to do to add a form builder is click on Website in the left panel. This is where we manage pages, styles, assets, and SEO for the website. Once we're here, we just need to click on Pages so we can add the form builder. Inside Pages, all we have to do is click Edit. This is where we will add a new section. Let's go ahead and add a section. We will choose a blank section so we have full control over what goes inside. Inside the blank section, let's add a block section here. Once we're in the block section, all we have to do is add a block. In the block options, we will see the form option. This is where we build our form. The form is now visible. We just need to drag it down to give ourselves more space to work. We can edit the content here, such as field names, and start setting things up. We can move it around and start editing the content and design. All we need to do is configure it based on how we want to build the form. We can adjust everything to fit our needs. This is where all the key setup happens, including adding fields and making the form easy for visitors to use. And that's it. We have successfully added a form builder to Squarespace.